Hi there, this is Ennis with AZ Sun Solutions. I would like to take a minute and show you our install that we did here in North Scottsdale, which we ended up installing 2 rolling shutters on this building complex here. It is on the bottom floor, and the main reason that the homeowner wanted these rolling shutters was for security, and then also to help with the dust and the wind, knocking off furniture. And like this with the rolling shutters in down position, it's like a barrier. It stops everything coming through, and then also mainly intruders. So let me go by bringing both of these shutters up, and you guys can see how our system operates. So with a touch of a button, I got both of these shutters going up, and I can get them retracted all the way out of the site. As of right now, they are in up position, and I'll squeeze in here and show you guys how our housings look from the inside. So we do powder coat matching the same color of the walls, so everything literally blends in. We do have these rails on the side that go from one side to the other, and that's literally what keeps that shutter all locked and tight. Like that, nobody can actually push on it and try to break it, in other words, or try to get into the opening. I'll go individually, I'll bring them down. This is number 1, which is the big guy. And then I can also stop them at any point. Like this, like if you just want to block out a little bit of the sun that's coming through, you don't have to pretty much bring them all the way down and close yourself in. This is ideal for people that leave town and just want to protect their furniture and then their property also. So I got this one all the way down. Let's bring the number 2 down. So with these shutters in a down position, you pretty much get 99% sunblock, and then also 99% of all that dust is going to be kept out of your patio. As you can see how nice it looks and how nicely it blends in with the walls. I'll retract them up one more time, and I'll do them both at the same time, which we can do individually or we can do as a group control and bring them both up. There you go. Thank you guys, and if you guys would like to see more of our work, please check us out at azsunsolutions.com. Thank you and take care.